Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to my channel Adhyatmika English Pathshala. ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. In this episode, 6 questions are there. The first question is, who can understand Bhagavad Gita? Who can understand Bhagavad Gita? Or in other words, what are the qualifications of a disciple, or what are the qualifications to understand Bhagavad Gita? First, one must be inquisitive about the ultimate goal of life. What is the goal of life? One must be inquisitive, eager. Next, one must approach a bona fide spiritual master and surrender unto him. Tasmat gurum prabhajyeta jijnasu shreya uttamam sebde parecha nishnatam brahmanyo upasamasramam. Therefore, any person who seriously desires real happiness must seek a bona fide spiritual master and take shelter of him by initiation. The qualification of a bona fide guru is that he has realized the conclusions of the scriptures by deliberation and is able to convince others of these conclusions. Such great personalities who have taken shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, leaving aside all material consideration, should be understood to be a bona fide spiritual master. This is given in Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th chapter, 11th canto, 3rd chapter, 21st verse. Next, third one must enquire submissively and hear attentively from the Guru. At least one must render some service to the Guru and please him. Tadviddi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshanti te jnanam jnaninas tattvadarshinaha. 4th chapter Bhagavad Gita, 34th verse. Just try to learn the truth by approaching a spiritual master. Enquire from him submissively and render service unto him. The self-realized souls can impart knowledge unto you because they have seen the truth. Next, 4 qualities are over. 5th quality, one must have faith in Guru. The disciple must have faith in Guru. Yasya deve parabhaktihi yata deve tada gurau tasyaite katita hai harta prakasante mahatmanaha. Only unto those great souls who have implicit faith in both the Lord and the spiritual master are all the imports of Vedic knowledge automatically revealed to such person. Last 6th one must be a devotee of the Lord. Sayevayam maya tyajyam yoga prokta puratanaha Bhaktosi me sakacheti rahasyam hetaduttamam. That very ancient science of relationship with the Supreme is today told by me to you because you are my devotee as well as my friend and can therefore understand the transcendental mystery of this science. These are the 6 qualities to understand Bhagavad Gita, are the qualifications of the disciple. Next question. Since how long the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita is available for the human beings? Here in 4th chapter Bhagavad Gita, Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktvan Ahamavyam Vivasvan Manave Praha Manurikshvakave Bravit. We find the history of Bhagavad Gita traced from a remote time when it was delivered to the royal order, the kings of all planets. This science is especially meant for the protection of the inhabitants and therefore the royal order should be understand it in order to be able to rule the citizens and protect them from the material bondage to lust. Human life is meant for cultivation of spiritual knowledge in eternal relationship with the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and the executive heads of the all states and all planets are obliged to impart this lesson to the citizens by education, culture and devotion. Accepting that before the birth of Manu, the Gita was spoken by the Lord to his disciple, the sun god Vivaswan. A rough estimate is that Gita was spoken at least 12 crore 4 lakh years ago, and in human society it has been extant for 2 million years. It was spoken by the Lord again to Arjuna about 5000 years ago. That is the rough estimate of the history of the Gita. According to Gita itself and according to the version of the speaker, the Lord Sri Krishna. The mundane wranglers may speculate on the Gita in their own ways, but that is not Bhagavad Gita as it is. Therefore, Bhagavad Gita has to be accepted as it is from the disciplic succession, and it is described here in that Lord spoke to the sun god, and the sun god spoke to his son Manu, and Manu spoke to his son Ikshvaku. This is the available time for the human beings. Third question, very important question. Modern man has so many facilities: mobiles, computers, fridges, high-speed vehicles, rockets, etc. No animal can dream of inventing any of these. Is this what makes human beings special? This is the question. Answer for this: no. Actually, this is not a human being special. At least a human being can understand who am I, who is God, what is the relationship between God and me, what I have to do to achieve my real identity with God. This is the method. This is the short answer I am giving. Next question is small question. What is the nature of this body? What is the nature of this body? The nature of the body is sense enjoyment and renunciation. Either it will do sense enjoyment or renunciation. Bhoga, Tyaga. Some days Bhoga and some days Tyaga. Some days sense enjoyment and some days renunciation. This is the answer for this question. Next question. How can one control mind? How can one control mind? Mind can be controlled if one always thinks of Krishna and how to serve Krishna best. Then automatically one's mind will naturally be controlled. The restlessness or fickleness of the mind is controlled when one can fix his mind on the lotus feet of Krishna. This is the answer for this question. Next, what is a good investment in a devotion? In devotion, what is a good investment? Answer for this is devotee who is our junior now might be our superior 20 years from now. So, why not treat him like that now? That will be a good investment and also pleasing to Krishna. Anyone coming to Krishna consciousness is very, very dear to Krishna. This is the good investment in devotion if we have this attitude. I stop this episode here. I will continue in next episode. Srila Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे। हरे हरे बोल। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे